You call this a traditional holiday tree? Well, it's not easy being green during the holidays. Take the traditional tree. How can it be sustainable?
Well, I think first you have to think about what sustainable means, and it sort of means that something's going to last for a long time or have very, very little or no ecological effect.
Made from fossil fuels and not recyclable, artificial trees are definitely not sustainable. But some cut trees can actually fit this definition. To begin with, they can be composted after the holidays. The way the cut trees are grown can also help. The great organization Delancey Street now sells sustainable trees. These trees are grown organically, keeping in mind soil and water conservation, and their farms encourage biodiversity. UC Berkeley's annual tree sale uses trees that were going to be harvested with larger trees.
Trees that are naturally growing out in the forest and that are just excess trees.
So how about live trees? The traditional pine or fir tree is wonderful, but in a few years these trees will be too big for your home and probably your yard too. Which brings us to these trees that you can rent and take care of over the holidays.
Friends of the Urban Forest has chosen 4 different trees this year. One is our fruitless olive tree, and then we have a strawberry tree, and a small-leaf tristania, and a evergreen magnolia tree. All of them broadleaf evergreens, not your classic needled evergreen.
But they're chosen for a reason. These trees do well in San Francisco's microclimates, and their eventual height and root structure are manageable in small spaces. They may not look traditional, but eventually, these trees will become perfect sidewalk trees, having a life well beyond the holidays. Sustainable? Check.